Welcome, my friends. John Weberg here with the guy who's done over $3 million in sales from a single time speaking on stage. He's created expert secrets, and now he's just released another brand new free book. You can go ahead and grab in the link or description below or button below, somewhere around here. There's a link to go ahead and grab to get network marketing secrets for free. It's a free book that he's introduced because he's done this so many different times. For those of you who don't know who Russell Brunson is, he's the creator of Clickfunnels. And what that means is, I'll kind of give you a little backstory of who Russell Brunson is. Russell Brunson, again, you can, whenever you decide to click on the link, you can go and take a look at exactly what he's offering it and how it's going to help you. But Russell Brunson, the man, the myth, the legend, started Clickfunnels a long time ago because he saw in marketing, and again, the reason I'm talking about this is because you're going to see why grabbing this book is so important, whether you're network marketing, affiliate marketing, any kind of marketing and sales really, is Russell Brunson saw that through all the online marketing that was being done, there wasn't really a way that people were teaching their downline or their teams or teaching their communities or whatever the case may be how to actually sell and sell efficiently. So he solved that problem with Clickfunnels, and he basically created a company now, I believe that's done over $500 million in sales. They've created over 100 millionaires. And what Russell Brunson sells, when he gives out these books, and the reason he does this, why he introduces these books to the masses, is because they're responsible for how he's grown his businesses and how he's helped other businesses and companies grow. Again, ClickFunnels and the ideas behind Network Marketing Secrets, behind Expert Marketing Secrets, these two books, and this one that's brand new that you can go ahead and you can buy today, there's going to be a link in the description, is he's used these to build his empire, and he's used these to literally create hundreds of millions of dollars in sales for other companies using these exact same tactics. So if you're someone that is in network marketing, that is in affiliate marketing, any marketing at all, you're going to want to grab a copy of this book because he's going to walk you through the exact, number one, the exact funnels that you will want your people, your salespeople, the people who you're trying to bring into your business, the people who you're trying to bring into your network marketing business or your affiliate marketing business or whatever business you have. He will give you these funnels and show you exactly how to set them up and set them up to convert people into sales. It's one of the biggest things that ClickFunnels focuses on, is no matter what you're doing, no matter what business or a company you're an affiliate for or network marketing in, is he shows you how to get sales and grow your business and eventually develop a company and your own products, which is why this process and why this book is so important, is because he covers all of these things. He covers all the questions you have about how to develop an automated system that brings in customers and that brings in people who are joining your team. You see why that's so important. How he does that is because every successful business online of any kind, actually online or offline, what they do is they have systems and automation set in place because that allows them to scale their profits and to scale their revenue completely forward. I mean, to the 7, 8, and 9 figures. And that's what Network Marketing Secrets, this book, and anything else he offers you down the line, because he might offer you a lot down the line, I'm not sure. What he's going to offer you down the line will also be able to help you, because everything he's done, everything he's ever focused on, has been on helping people see more sales, raise conversion, and develop systems and automation that people like yourself can scale, whether you're network marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever marketing you're in, to 7, 8, and possibly 9 figures, because there are people who do that much in sales. So make sure you grab a copy of this. Again, there's going to be a link in the description or somewhere around here, because again, it's something that you're going to see that is, number one, it's a great deal for what you actually have to pay. All you have to pay is for shipping and handling. He pays for the rest. It normally sells for $20, you see, but it's a special offer to get the book for free. You just pay for shipping and handling, and that's it. And you're going to get a tool that you can use in whatever business or whatever team you're part of, whether you're network marketing, affiliate marketing, or you're just building your business. This information is going to help you get to the next level, because everything Russell Brunson has done, again, you can watch this video to explain more as well. I suggest watching this video. Everything Russell Brunson does is perfection for helping you get more sales and generate more revenue and leads. So I want to thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you grab a copy of this book. It's really going to be worth it for you.